Following the injury news to both Austin Faulkner and Jalek Swoll coming from Triumph, we have a little bit of positive news, and definitely positive news for that guy right there, Gage Linville, who will be taking the fill-in ride for that 250 seat of Jalek Swoll for the remainder of the 2026 SMX World Championship. So not only a Supercross fill-in ride, but for the whole Outdoors series as well. And you got to say, for him, has got to be awesome. For the last 2 years, he's been part of the Dirt Legal Dirt Bike Depot race team, and most recently has been crowned a 2-time Partzilla Arena Cross champion. So to get this factory ride, get the move up to the big money team has got to be incredible. And for him and for the team, it's, can he, I don't want to say this in a mean way, but can he prove that this is worth it? I mean, if you're a guy on a smaller team, privateer team, whatever you want to call it, to get this move up, get this chance at a factory ride with all of the support that comes along with it. I'm assuming, the track, the trainer, you'll have everything that available to you to make this work and show that it was worth it for them, and that you can be a factory guy, you can be a contender. This is going to be all up to him. We do have a quote from Gage saying, quote, "I'm very thankful for this opportunity to ride for Triumph Factory Racing. It's been a dream of mine to have this chance, and I couldn't be more excited. I just want to say a huge thank you to everybody involved. The bike is unreal, and I felt comfortable on it from the very first day. Everybody on the team is just top notch, and they've treated me amazingly since day one. It's really exciting for me to be part of such an incredible program. It's time to get to work and hopefully be ready for St. Louis." Now, so that obviously says he's not going to be racing this weekend in Detroit, but he is supposedly going to be starting in St. Louis on April 4th. So pretty short turnaround for him. Get on the bike, get used to it, start figuring out your settings and what you like and what you don't like. And let's get it, accustomed to you, or you accustomed to it, however you want to say. This is a big thing for him. I mean, you gotta use this. If you get this opportunity, you got to show that it's worth for them, for the team. And if it's just a fill-in ride, that, you can market yourself to either stay for there or, another bigger team, that, you deserve a chance to be on these bigger production bikes, bigger, what's the word I'm looking for? Bigger budget teams. There it is. But this is what I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. How well is he going to do? Are you excited for this week in Detroit? Sexton's back. Whatever it is. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform lets you do, because it does really help me out and appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.